Oh, long curly hair. He's called You Fuck. He's 25. He's got a man bun. It's a match! You fucking me! Hello, I'm Laura, I'm 28, and I'm going to tell you why Bumble is the ultimate way to connect. In our digital world, it's getting increasingly hard to meet people, but Bumble seems to have cracked this.
Most people have heard of Bumble Date, but there's also two other modes. There's Bumble BFF, so you can meet people on a platonic level, and there's Bumble Biz, so you can network with other people. And no matter which mode you're in, women always get to make the first move.
Now I'm going to tell you how I would use each of the Bumble modes when travelling. I would use the BFF mode to meet locals to gain a more authentic insight into the history and culture of a place. For example,
I've lived in Brighton for 5 years and it's an incredible diversity with loads going on. Some of the typical touristy things to do are to walk through the lanes, to hang out in the pavilion gardens, go to the pier, or to have fish and chips on the beach. All these are wonderful things to do, but there's so much more too. Because Brighton isn't too big, there's huge competition between the pubs on the Sunday roast scene. There's actually a whole Facebook group dedicated to it, in fact, with just under 10,000 members. It kicks off every Sunday without fail, and people go into serious detail talking about how crispy the roast potatoes are to how thick the gravy is. My favourite time of year here is May because the Fringe begins. The festival's on for the whole month and you'll find parades, comedy, dance events, giant art installations, whatever you're looking for, you'll find it at the Fringe.
So I made up my mind, we must come to an end.
También usaría el modo amigo para conocer gente que habla español. Acabo de comenzar a aprender mientras viajo por América Latina, así que no quiero perder lo que he aprendido.
I would use the business mode for photography. I'm in the process of getting myself set up with a website and I have really been enjoying spending the last 8 months experimenting with different types of photography.
Oh, Will, 30, wants someone to take a picture of his work tools? I can do that. Oh, it is a match. I just matched with someone. L is for the way you look. I've used dating platforms on and off for around 5 years. This is partly due to the success of meeting my lovely ex-boyfriend, who I was with for 3.5 years, and although we're not together anymore, he's still one of my best friends. So much so that he's filming this now. Say hey, Joey.
Hi.
I've been on some good dates and I've also been on some pretty bad dates. One date, a guy decided to bring his mum halfway through.
Halfway through?
Halfway through the date, yeah. But even the bad dates make for a good story eventually. Okay, Jack, 29, likes bread. I like bread. Could be French, maybe it's Jacques. Or maybe it's just in France, I don't know. 6'1", that's good. Has a dog, that's cute. Okay, so rather than the hey, how are you with a stranger, which isn't really much crack, I'm going to go with my go-to. Let's see what he says. I'm also an excellent researcher and I would ensure that the date destination exceeded expectations. For example, if we were somewhere like Sydney, we could go to the Revolving Tower restaurant, which is just under 300 metres up and it rotates, I think it's once every hour, but you get this incredible view all of the city. Or if we were in Canada, we could go skiing in Whistler. So whether I'd be using the date mode, the BFF mode, or the biz mode, I'd be sure to throw all of my energy into working for a brand that I really believe brings the honey.